Rick Ross is behind bars after allegedly dropping the beat on his groundskeeper. Hey, this is Gary. So Rick Ross was arrested and taken into custody by U.S. Marshals out in Georgia. This is the second time in the past 2 weeks that he has found himself behind bars. The first time being a stop for tinted windows that ended up being an arrest for marijuana possession. So this story is interesting. So apparently Rick pistol whipped his groundskeeper. He allegedly hit the guy so hard that he busted his jaw, and the guy can't use his jaw right now and has to eat soft foods through a straw. He was charged with aggravated assault, aggravated battery, and kidnapping. Now, this is according to the documents from officials, but he allegedly forced the guy into the house, down a hallway, into the bedroom, and did not let him leave the bedroom. So when that happens, you're not allowing somebody to leave on their own free will. Kidnapping charge comes into play. We haven't heard Rick's side yet. Obviously, we have to hear that. Another interesting tidbit to the story, this all went down at Evander Holyfield's old house. So Rick actually bought this house. This is a gigantic house with like over 100 rooms. It is way too big for any one person to own. It's even on Evander Holyfield Lane. My guess is he did that himself. But this is, Rick owns the house now, and this is where this went down. So we're trying to find out exactly what happened. I don't know if the guy didn't cut the grass properly or didn't feed the daisies, but you know, he got beat up pretty bad for it. So we'll keep you posted. And as of now, Rick is still in custody.
Hi guys, this is Anna. I want you guys to subscribe to our YouTube page because we have lots of super fun videos coming up, and you know, you guys can put down in the comments like what sort of funny stuff you guys want us. Give me that pillow. Subscribe.